Okay, so the example 13, if the uh, what they given, if the cost of a dozen of soap, okay, so if the cost of so if the cost of a dozen of soap, if the cost of a of soap dozen of soap is how much? 153. So 153.60. And what will be the cost of what will be the what will be the cost of what will be the cost of 15 soaps? Okay, so 15 such soaps, 15 soaps. So first you have to know that what is mean by dozen. Okay, so one dozen equal to 12 units. Okay, remember that if the cost of a dozen of soap is 253.60 rupees, what will be the cost of 15 soap? So first you have to know that one dozen. Okay, so one dozen which is equal to 12, so 12 unit. Okay, 12 unit it is called one dozen. So 12 unit is how much? So 12 soap, that means 12 unit means 12 soap. So 12 soap price is 153.60 rupees. So one soap price, so one soap which is equal to 153.60 divided by 12. Okay, sir, how sir we have to divide this one? Okay, so first you have to know that 12th table, if you know, means it will be very easy, but anyway 2 table 3 table also we can do. Okay, for first one I will how to solve, just see that. Okay, so 100 and how much? 153.60 12 table, right? Okay, so first one, forget about this point, forget about this point value. So you have to put that what is the thing is 153.60 is itself, and 12 here, 1 12s are 12, remaining 3, here 33 will come, no? So 2 12s are 24, here 9, and the 9 it will come 96. So 96 means 8 12s are 96. Okay, 8 12s are 96. So 96 minus 96 0, and here 1 0, so 1 0 is there. So that means if you put that decimal point, so 1 2, so 2 decimal 2 digit after we have to put that decimal point means, so same way 1 2 here, so that means 12.80. so 12.80 means how much? See here, so 12.80, right? So this is for one soap. So one soap price is 12.80 rupees. Okay, so this kind of we can calculate. So 12.80 rupees, they asked 15 soap. So 15 soap means 15 soap price. So 15 soap which is equal to 15 into 12.80, 15 into 12.80. Okay students, just you have to 12.80, we can able to write 12.8. Okay, so 12.8 into 15, so just multiple this value, 8 5s are 40, here 4, and 2 5s are 10, so 14, here 1 5s are 5 6. Okay, and here same way 8 2 1, so 0, 8 4 12, so here, so 8 plus 4 12 here, so 6 plus 2 8, 8 1 plus 1 9, so 192.0. so 192.0 we can write 192. So that means 15 soap price, so 15 soap price which is equal to, so 192 rupees. Okay, so this is that correct answer. So this kind of only we have to calculate. So we'll move to that next problem. So example 14. So just pause the video and just note it. And example 14. So example 14, what they given? Example 14, cost of 105 envelopes. Okay, so cost of 105 envelope. Okay, like courier cover, that kind of even that postcard, that cover, no, so that only envelope is 350 rupees. So 350 rupees. And how many envelopes can be purchased for 100? So how many envelopes can be, how many envelopes can be purchased, how many envelope can be purchased can be purchased for 100 rupees. So for 100 rupees. Okay, so for 100 rupees, how many you can purchase? So first one, you have to know that cost of 105. So 105 envelope, so that is equal to 350 rupees. So that means we can take this situation. When you give 350 rupees means you will get 105 envelopes. So when you give 100 rupees means how much envelope you can buy. So that kind of we can take. Okay, so first I will take, see, when I gave how much for 350 rupees, for 350 rupees, when I gave for 350 rupees, I'll get how much? 105 envelopes. So when I gave 1 rupee means, so 1 rupee means, so 105 divided by 350. Okay, so 105 350. So just simplify this one, 105 into 350. Okay, so simplify, otherwise we can just keep it, leave it. Okay, so we can simplify also. Okay, 2 5s are 10, 1 5s are 15, so 21 here, 7 5s are 35, so 70 will come. Okay, and 3 7s are 21, 10 7s are 30, so 3 by 10, so 3 by 10. So when you give 1 rupee means 3 by 10 part of that envelope you will get. So when you give 100 rupees means what will get? So when you give for 100 rupees, for 100 rupees, for 100 rupees equal to, so 3 by 10 into 100. Okay, so 3 by 10 into 100. So 3 by 10 into 100 means this 10 cancel. So 3 into 10, what is the value? 30. So 30 is the right answer. Okay, so 30 envelopes can be purchased when you gave 100 rupees. Okay, so just take the situation, what are the given data, based on that you have to change it. So cost of 105 envelope is 350 rupees. So they gave the statement, so you take the statement, when I gave 350 rupees means 105 envelope I will get. So when I gave 100 rupees means what, how many envelope will get? So that kind of we can calculate. So for this a single unit you have to find means it will be very easy. So that only I calculated. So this is the problem number 14 answer. So next problem we will move to that example 15. So example 15, so what they given? So example 15. So example 15, just read the problem. A car travels 90 km in 2.5 hours. First one, a car travel. Okay, so just imagine a car travels okay, a car travels 90 kilometer. A car travel 90 kilometer in 2.5 hours. Okay, so 90 kilometer in 2.5 hours. 2.5 hours. So which means how much time is required to cover 30 kilometer of the same speed? Okay, how much time? First case, how much time if they required when they cover 30 kilometer with the same speed only. Okay, so when they are covered 30 kilometer, so how much hour they covered? This is the first question. So first you have to know that for 2.5 hours, for 2.5 hours, so for 2.5 hours they covered how much distance? Okay, so see here you have to note it. For 90 kilometer, for 90 kilometer they took 2.5 hours. When they covered for 90 kilometer they took 2.5 hours. So 2.5 hours means we will multiple. This is a what's that mixed fraction, no? So we have to change into improper fraction. So 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 1 5, 5 by 2. Okay, so 5 by 2 r. So 90 kilometer they covered 5 by 2 r. So for 1 kilometer, how much time they required? 5 by 2, and this 90 will come down, no? So it will come down. That means it will come division. Okay, it will come division, but multiply with this value. So 5 by 2 here divided by 90, but with this value multiplication. So 2 into 90. Okay, that means 5 by 180. For 1 kilometer, I'll write 5 by 180 r. So 5 by 180 r means 1 5s are 5, 3 5s are 15 here, and 3 6 5. So 1 by 36 r. So 1 by 36 r. Okay, if it is for 30 kilometer, so for 30 kilometer, how much they covered? So for 1 kilometer, this my distance means for 30 kilometer. Okay, so 30 kilometer means 1 by 36 into 30. Okay, so for this much r. Okay, so see here, you just cancel it first. Okay, so 18 2s are 36, and 15 2s are 30. So 15 divided by 18 r, right? For 30 kilometer 15, for 30 kilometer 15 divided by 18 r. Okay, so for 1 hour how many minutes? So 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. Okay, so that means 15 divided by 18 into r means 15 divided by 18 into 60. So 3 6 are here 18, 10 6 are 30. Simply you have to convert r into minute. Okay, so because they asked in terms of minutes. Okay, otherwise we can leave it 15 divided by 18 r itself, but anyway we have to calculate in terms of minutes. So 1 3s are 3, 5 3s are 15. So here, so what is that value? 5 into 10. So 5 into 10, what is the value? 50 minutes. So 15 minutes is the correct answer. Okay, so for 30 kilometer they required 50 minutes. So that means what the thing is, 1 hour 10 minute less. Okay, so 50 minute is that right answer. Next one, for B they asked. Okay, so for B they asked, what they asked, find the distance covered in 2 hours with the same speed. Okay, for 2 hours how much it will come? Okay, so for 2.5 hours, okay, for 2.5 hours, so for 2.5 hours they covered how much? 90 kilometer. Okay, that means 2.5 hours. That means for 1 hour how much kilometer is possible? So 1 hour, so 90. So just change this value. 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 1 5 by 2. So 5 by 2 are equal to 90 kilometer. That means 1 hour means, so 90, this 5 by 2 will come here. That means automatically it will get reversed. So 2 by 5 will come. So 2 by 5 means 1 5s are 5. Here 1 5s are 5, and here 8 5s are 40. So 18 into 2 36. So for 1 hour 36 kilometer. So that means for 2 hour, so 36 into 2. So 36 into 2 how much? For 1 hour 36 kilometer. So for 2 hour, so this is for 2 hour. So for 2 hour how much? 36 into 2 72 kilometer. Okay, so this kind of only we can calculate, students. You can take the 2.5 hours, you can convert into improper fraction, you can do, or otherwise 2.5 an hour you will take 0.5. so 2.5 hours also you can take. Anyway it will come what's called decimal point division. So we have to multiple and divide by 10 in the numerator as well as denominator. So forget about, so this kind of you can calculate, it will be very easy. Okay, so 2 hours 72 kilometers. So anyway, this is that example problems they given, students, and that exercise 12.3. so homework problem I will give first. Homework problem, so exercise 12.3, first two problems. Okay, first two problem and second problem you can work out, and in the next slide we will work out that remaining problems. Okay, students, this is that some problems we finished in that example. So based on that concept of unitary method. So unitary method is nothing but, so we have to find that one unit and then we have to find the required unit, so from the given problem. So I hope you all understand, and so thank you all. So just I gave some homework problem, that first two problems you just solve it, and if you have doubt you can contact. So thank you all, thank you so much.